Roll-up dish drying rack. Is kitchen counter space always a struggle? Meet the BBXTYLY roll-up dish drying rack. It neatly sits over your sink, turning unused space into a dish drying zone. Made with sturdy stainless steel and non-slip silicone, it handles dishes, produce, and even hot pans securely. You'll love how the adjustable design fits sinks up to 21 inches wide, expanding from 12.8 to 22.8 inches. Water drains right into the sink, so counters stay dry. When you're done, just roll it up for easy storage. No more bulky racks cluttering your kitchen. Imagine a cleaner, more organized space thanks to this simple solution. More room for cooking, less clutter, and easy cleanup. Stainless steel corn peeler. Ever struggle to get corn kernels off the cob cleanly? It's messy and you waste so much. This Spring Chef stainless steel corn peeler solves that problem instantly. It's designed with super sharp, rust-resistant stainless steel blades. These blades effortlessly strip the kernels in one smooth motion. Whether the corn is fresh or cooked, you get every last bit. The ergonomic handle means it's comfortable to use. No more sore hands. Cleanup's a breeze too. Just rinse it or toss it in the dishwasher. Imagine perfectly peeled corn for salads, salsas, or side dishes, all done in minutes with minimal effort. You'll have more corn, less waste, and a whole lot less hassle. Multi-compartment bento lunchbox? Ever struggle packing lunch? Soggy sandwiches, mixed up snacks, it's a mess. This leak-proof lunchbox, the multi-compartment bento lunchbox, solves that. It has 3 compartments. You can separate your main dish from sides, keeping everything fresh. Plus, it's leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about spills in your bag. The cooler pack helps keep your food chilled for hours, making lunchtime more enjoyable. An adjustable divider lets you customize the space. Imagine opening your lunch to perfectly organized, fresh food every day. It makes healthy eating on the go so much easier. Cleanup is simple too. It's dishwasher safe. This box makes lunch prep easy. Rotating spice rack. Is your spice cabinet a chaotic mess? I know mine was. It was impossible to find anything. The rotating spice rack is the answer. This 2-tier organizer spins smoothly so you can easily reach every jar. You get organized storage, saving counter or cabinet space. It's crafted from sturdy, natural wood, so it's beautiful. Its raised edges prevent spills. Imagine, cooking becomes easier with every spice at your fingertips. No more digging, just effortless access. The spinning action lets you quickly find what you need. It's designed for any kitchen, pantry, bathroom, or vanity. The rotating spice rack creates a tidy, efficient space for everything. Enjoy cooking again. Stainless steel funnels. Ever spilled oil transferring liquids? I know I have. These metal stainless steel funnels are the perfect solution for mess-free kitchen transfers. This set comes with 3 sizes. You'll have the right funnel for any job, from filling small bottles with essential oils to larger jars with homemade sauces. Made of food-grade stainless steel, they're durable and easy to clean. No more flimsy plastic funnels. Each funnel has a narrow stem. This prevents spills. Imagine pouring smoothly, quickly, and cleanly. You'll save time, reduce waste, and keep your kitchen spotless. These funnels become an indispensable tool, perfect for cooking, baking, and crafting. No more mess. Silicone baking pan set? Ever dread baking cleanup? Sticking cakes, messy pans? Ugh. This 32-piece silicone baking pan set solves it. Food-grade silicone means easy release, no sticking. You get round, square, loaf, and muffin pans all in one set. Imagine baking donuts with the kids, and they pop right out. The pans are oven, microwave, and freezer safe, withstanding 40 to 446 degrees. Think perfectly shaped cakes every time. From pumpkin rings to mini muffins, bake effortlessly for birthdays, holidays, or weddings. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. A truly versatile baking experience. Wall-mounted dish drying rack. Wish you had more counter space? This wall-mounted dish drying rack is the perfect solution. It installs easily, freeing up valuable workspace in your kitchen. You can say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to a more organized area. It securely holds plates, bowls, and utensils. Plus, it's designed to resist rust, so you won't worry about maintenance. Imagine having all your dishes neatly stored and drying above the sink. This means no more wet towels and quicker cleanup. The rack also has hooks for your spatulas and other items. Having extra space is a simple way to make your kitchen less stressful. The wall-mounted drying rack maximizes your counter space. Magnetic measuring cups and spoons set. Ever dig through messy drawers searching for the right measuring spoon? This magnetic measuring cups and spoon set solves that. Made from durable stainless steel, this 16-piece set handles any recipe. But the magnet is key. Each cup and spoon stacks neatly. You get accurate measurements every time. Plus, the engraved markings won't fade like printed ones, so you're always precise. Imagine easily grabbing the perfect size. No more clutter. Baking becomes quicker, more enjoyable. You'll save time, reduce frustration, and get consistent results. No more guessing. This set makes baking or cooking simpler and better organized. Egg beater. Struggling with lumpy batters? Tired of bulky electric mixers? This is the OXO Good Grips Egg Beater. It whips eggs, cream, and even pancake batter with ease, all without needing electricity. You get smooth, lump-free mixtures every single time. The rotating stainless steel beaters quickly blend ingredients. Plus, cleanup is super easy because the beaters detach and are dishwasher safe. Imagine effortlessly making fluffy omelets or light, airy whipped cream. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, secure grip, making mixing a breeze. Enjoy simple, eco-friendly baking and cooking. Get consistently smooth results every time, with minimal effort. Wall-mounted magnetic paper towel holder. Is your paper towel roll always in the way? This Deliton magnetic holder solves that. It frees up counter space in a snap. The strong magnet back means you just stick it to your fridge, grill, or any metal surface. Installation is so easy, you can even mount it inside a cabinet. The best part? Ripping off a sheet is simple. The holder stays put, even with jumbo rolls. You can tear off one-handed, no problem. It's perfect for kitchens, RVs, and garages. Imagine a clutter-free counter. Everything's organized and paper towels are always within reach. This holder gives you a tidier, more efficient space instantly. It's a simple solution with a big impact. Splatter Screen Splash Guard. Are you tired of scrubbing your stovetop after frying? The Splatter Screen Splash Guard solves that messy problem. It's designed with a fine stainless steel mesh that blocks oil while letting steam escape. You get a cleaner stovetop and a safer cooking experience. The durable metal frame handles heat, and the foldable, heat-resistant handle is easy to grip. The splatter screen fits in the dishwasher. No more struggling to clean it by hand. Plus, it folds flat for easy storage. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. Now you can prevent those annoying oil splatters and keep your kitchen spotless. The Splatter Screen Splash Guard is the solution for hassle-free frying. Non-slip cutting board with juice groove. Ever make a juicy mess cutting fruit or meat? This non-slip cutting board solves that. It's double-sided. One side is titanium for meats. The other is wheat straw PP for fruits and veggies. No flavor mixing. You get a built-in juice groove to trap liquids. No more spills. Plus, there's even a garlic grinding area, saving you time and dishes. Forget scrubbing. It's easy to clean and resists stains and odors, unlike those old wooden boards. Imagine prepping dinner without the mess or the fuss. Everything stays contained and cleanup is a breeze. This board makes cooking simpler and more enjoyable, keeping your kitchen clean and your ingredients separate. Clip-on strainer silicone. Dealing with messy colanders? The AUA-ON clip-on strainer silicone solves that. It clips right onto your pots and pans, so draining pasta or veggies is now easier and neater. The strong, heat-resistant silicone means it's durable and safe to use with hot foods. You can say goodbye to bulky colanders taking up space. Plus, its smart clip design fits almost any pot size. Now you can drain liquids quickly without the hassle of transferring hot food. It simplifies cooking, saves time on cleanup. Imagine boiling eggs and draining the water directly into the sink. The AU On Strainer helps you keep a clean counter and enjoy streamlined cooking. Finger guards for cutting protection. Ever nicked a finger while chopping veggies? Ouch! These finger guards are here to help. They protect your fingers and nails while cutting food. Made of stainless steel, they're corrosion-resistant and super durable. You can even adjust them for a snug, comfortable fit. No more worrying about accidental cuts. These guards let you slice confidently, whether it's tomatoes or onions. The herb stripper is a bonus. They're easy to clean and use. Imagine prepping meals without fear. These guards give you peace of mind and protect your hands. Enjoy cooking again, safely and easily. This simple tool keeps you safe so you can chop easily. Adjustable pot lid organizer? Anyone else tired of the avalanche of pot lids every time you open a cabinet? The Eucopia Adjustable Pot Lid Organizer might be the answer. This organizer neatly stores lids in your cabinets or drawers. It features adjustable dividers so you can customize it for different sized lids, round, flat, whatever. The coated steel dividers won't scratch your lids, keeping everything looking new. Plus, the non-slip base keeps the whole thing secure, even when grabbing lids. Imagine easily finding the right lid, no more digging. It's so simple. Adjust, load, and enjoy an organized cabinet. No more lid chaos. Egg cracker tool? Ever get annoying shell bits in your cake batter? Or struggle opening eggs cleanly for custards? This egg cracker tool solves that. It cracks eggs quickly and neatly, no mess. Just put the egg in, squeeze the handles, done. The spring-loaded design does all the work, keeping your hands clean. Made of stainless steel, it's durable, plus the effort is adjustable. You can easily customize the vibration, effortlessly preparing eggs every time. Imagine perfectly cracked eggs, smooth custards, cleaner baking. This tool delivers a hassle-free experience, making cooking easier and more enjoyable. It's a simple tool that transforms everyday egg prep. Mini digital kitchen timer with magnetic back. Ever burn something because you lost track of time? This mini digital kitchen timer is the perfect solution. Its magnetic back easily sticks to your fridge, so it's always handy. You'll love the large, clear display, no more squinting. Plus, the loud alarm means you'll actually hear it, even in another room. Now you can confidently multitask while cooking or baking. Forget about constantly checking the oven. This timer remembers your last setting, saving you time. Imagine perfectly cooked meals every time with less stress. It simplifies cooking and gives you that little extra peace of mind. Rice washer strainer bowl? Ever fumble rinsing rice, losing grains? The rice washer strainer bowl ends that frustration. Its stainless steel belt ensures food safety, while the fine mesh keeps grains in. It's sized right, not too big, not too small. The side drainers mean fast, efficient rinsing. You get perfectly clean rice, produce, or beans quickly. No more stray rice in the sink. Imagine rinsing rice without the mess. Cleaner, faster, and less waste. This bowl simplifies meal prep, adding ease to your cooking. Enjoy quicker, easier, and more efficient food preparation. It's a simple tool for a better kitchen routine. Self-watering herb planter pot, always forgetting to water your herbs? I do too. This self-watering herb planter pot solves that problem. These come in a 2-pack so you can grow multiple herbs at once. Each pot has a water reservoir and a wick system that keeps the soil consistently moist, meaning you don't need to water daily. Plus, drainage holes prevent waterlogging. Imagine fresh basil, mint, or oregano always ready in your kitchen. No more wilted, sad herbs. Just refill the reservoir when the indicator shows it's low and your plants thrive. It's easy, convenient, and your herbs will thank you for it. More flavorful meals, less fuss. Cheese grater hand crank. I think we've all scraped our knuckles on a box grater trying to get that last bit of Parmesan. This rotary cheese grater completely changes that experience. You just place the cheese inside the hopper and turn the handle. It includes 2 interchangeable stainless steel drums, letting you switch between a fine grate for hard cheeses and a coarser shred for cheddar or vegetables. The hand crank is designed to be effortless, so you can grate a lot of cheese without any hand strain. It makes adding fresh Parmesan to pasta at the dinner table feel like a restaurant experience. This simple tool makes food prep safer, cleaner, and so much more efficient.